How's it going, guys? Thank you for watching the video so far, and thank you for tuning in today. So as you can see, this Mercedes is here for a maintenance detail, and if you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I always start with the wheels. And to wash the wheels, I use PNS brake buster, and to wash the tires and the wheel wells, I always use super clean degreaser. Super clean degreaser is really well, you can use that for engine bay detail as well. So guys, here I'm to announce that super clean is doing a giveaway, and they will give you a bottle of super clean and an aerosol can. Aerosol can is really easy to use when you're doing engine bay detail. You can also use it on your tires as well. So aerosol can makes it really easy to spray down super clean. So guys, if you comment on this video and you subscribe to the channel, you can comment here and I will pick a winner. In a couple of weeks you can comment on my next video that will come up. So I will evaluate these videos and I'll see who commented, and then I will pick a winner. You have to be in the states, in the 48 states, and they will send you a shipment of this super clean package. So you guys can send me or email me your information and I will give it to the super clean guys, and they will send you this giveaway. So guys, keep on watching the show. So this Mercedes had a little deep scratch on the driver door, so I have to fix that as well. So here I'm trying to measure the paint, how much paint do I have around the scratch, so when I fill it in and I use my wet sanding process, I should not damage the paint. So as you can see, it's very close to a curve, so when there is a curve, the paint always thins out, so I have to make sure that I measure the paint very well. So here I was about 4.25 mil was my average. So this touch-up paint came directly from Germany, so I had to use this on the car, and it was so hot that day. As soon as I was applying it, it was drying up really fast. And guys, this is my first time doing it, so do not judge me on that, please. So after this process, all I did was apply wax onto the car, or a sealant, and then I clean the windows and I make sure I put tire shine onto all the tires, and this detail was done. Guys, again, if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And as you have heard me before, Super Clean is doing a giveaway, so guys, please comment down below, and if I pick your name in 2 weeks, please do email me all your information. So guys, thanks for watching in, and thanks for tuning in, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video.